Peach. Kiki. Hey. And Juke. Now Juke is over there. I think there are mice. Yes. The weather is changing. It's more windy, more rain, but the fillies don't mind that much. So that's perfect. It's not that cold, so they can stay outside. And hopefully next week the weather is better, and hopefully they can stay a bit longer outside. Daisy, Peach, and Wendy. Reintje en Dolly. Hey, goed zo. Goed zo, Dolly. En Elvis en Sally. That's it for now. Next time I do the ears. Goed zo, Reintje. En Dolly. Hey. Goed zo. Dolly. Risey. And that's how he escapes every time. And I'm trying to lunch Risey. He is always very relaxed with the hard wind. So that's very, very good. Good, so Risey. And he also has a very good walk. Come. Like I explained with Tyrone, the hind hoof has to go over the front hoof. Not every step is good, but when he walks through it, it's better. Yes. Goed zo, braaf. Come. And when they walk that way with the hind legs, they also relaxed their body. So there's no tension in the body. And for example, with Sully, come, when there's tension in the back, they can't walk that good. Goed zo, braaf. Goed zo, Risey. Let op. Draf. Hallo? Draf. Aw. The fillies. Cute. Kom. Stappen. Goed zo. Draf. Draf. Kom. Goed zo. Braaf. Oh, stappen. Goed zo. Draf. Braaf. Oh, stappen. Oh. Draf. 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 Hallo. Kom. Oh, stappen. Oh, goed zo. Dolly, Reintje. There's Elvis, Tyrone, and Risey. And behind there is Sully. Oh. Okay, Risey is coming too close to the mares of Tyrone. And Tyrone says something about that. What are you doing, Reintje? Follow the herd. Just, Tyrone was close to Reintje and to Sally, and Sally said something about that, so she kicked. So Sally is always kicking when she is not agree with it. Oh, Elvis. Elvis is becoming a stallion also. He likes Reintje. Hi. This is Ryan, Elvis. But I ordered some stuff and we wanted to open it to show you what I ordered. Nou, was maar hiervan. Skut van hier. What's in it? Ta-da! New Greg shoes! Woo! Thank Greg! Cool, hè? Yeah. Okay. Ta-da!
Bijna precies hetzelfde.
Ja, maar deze ben nicer. I needed new ones and Greg said you can buy some and I give it to you. So thanks Greg. I really appreciate it. And I ordered this one. Also thanks to Greg. Thank you. Oké, is het tillen? Ja, ja. Nou, dan schrik er de hinders van. Zullen we dat binnen dan straks? Oh. Nou, dat volgen we maar. Dan maar net hier, oké? This is for Reintje. She has problems with her right front hoof, but I give it every day to her, and hopefully it helps her. I also gave it to Unique when she has had problems with her legs, and yeah, because a lot of you give some money to PayPal or buy me a carrot, and or super thanks, or in what way I can buy this and I can help her. So I think it's very good and very, very kind of you. Come on. Okay, now we have to clean everything.
Ja, dit wil ik eigenlijk.
Kijk hè. Yes, that's it.
Super. net echt lekker.
Nee, het jonkt een beetje. Reintje. Hey, I think Reintje is very happy with it. So thank you all. Hey Risey. Hey.